Hello guys, you're welcome to the channel. So in our effort to further strengthen the foundation pillars, right, of the warehouse, the pillars that stands, at the joints, forming the framework of the warehouse. In our attempt to further strengthen them, we made this concrete work at the joints, as you can see. And today when I came, I realized they are fully hard and strong, and they are dried up, as you can see. So let me just take you through all of them. This is one of them, and this is also, if you look at the initial videos, the previous videos, you realize that there are always spaces here. There are always spaces at this side, and so that's why we had to cast the concrete around them. And this is actually a corner. You can see a corner pole, strong wood. So we did this to further strengthen it. And this is another one. This in the middle, you can see. Yeah, it's the middle one. And then there's another one at the corner. This is also a corner one, forming the framework, the frame of the whole structure. And this one is also dried, as you can see. They're all dried up here. Okay, so let me take you outside. This is supposed to be a very short video, so I'll try as much as possible to make it short. Okay, so I think there's one here that's left to be done. Okay, so as you can see here, this is how the previous ones are. If you look at the previous videos, they are always these spaces. As you can see, this one has been casted, attached to the wood, and it is very strong. Yeah, that's how it is for almost all of them, except for that one over there, of course. And then this one casted. So when we put wood on it, when we put the board on the storage part, you realize that what will happen is that the board will lie on this, and then there will be no space here. Even if there is, you put more concrete there, or you find a way to cover it, to cover the place. Okay, so that is another corner wood that has been further strengthened at the base. This one too, there will be a pole here. There will be a pole here, so that this here, just here, will be the door. There will be a door here, and then there will be a pole here, to the top. Okay, and all this place will be covered, leaving here being a door. So that's how it is. You can see this one. Then another corner. This is like the fourth corner of the whole structure. So that one has also been done, and then this one too, very much strong. And then this. Very nice. Let's just take a quick look at the outside. Very dried and strong. This is one corner. Quick one. This is the middle. This one is in the middle of the structure. This part of the land is up. The land actually slopes from this side, so you can see that the wood seems to be touching the ground, but it isn't. It is straight, like it is level. Yes, let me use that word. It is level from here to the other end. And then these are the rest. Okay, I think this is the last one. This is the one that we didn't do the other side. You can see this room, this hole, but it will be covered. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, and let's continue to grow. And there'll be a mobile money. There'll be a mobile money giveaway when we reach 1,000 subscribers. 1,000, and our family. Let me say, when our family grow to 1,000 people. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.